Hello, it's Rick with PHONEWARE. I'm going to show you how an administrator can program buttons for users on their phones. So the first thing you want to do is open up a browser and go to the PHONEWARE website, that is azphoneware.com, and you're going to log in as an administrator. So you'll need to make sure that the account that you're logging in as has administrator privileges. So to log in as an administrator, what you'll do is you'll go to the azphoneware.com website, hover over login here and choose admin portal. So click on that. That'll take you to the admin portal login screen. You use the same credentials that you would use for the user.com portal. So you put in your line as long as it has admin privileges and your password. And once you're logged in, that will take you to the admin portal. Now there are many options on the admin portal, but we're just going to focus on programming button configuration for users. So you're going to click over here on the left on phones, and this will list all the phones in your business group, in your office. And you can either program the buttons for a particular user, or you can program the standard buttons for all phones of a particular model. So let's say my phone or my office has 10 Yealink T53W phones, and I wanted to make a change on all of those phones. I don't need to go into, and we have a lot of different phone models here. Yours would not look like this with all these different phone models. But if I wanted to make a change, let's say I've added a new employee and I want that button to show up on all of my employees, I would go in here to the T53 phone profile and program that setting on everyone's phone at once. However, sometimes you may want to program a specific user with some custom features. So let me go ahead and I'm going to change a button on my phone right here. Okay, so this is my phone and my T54W. So I click over here on actions and I go to configure phone. So that will open up the configuration for my particular phone. Again, I have to choose the model that it is here. You would not see as many models as we have, but this happens to be a T54W phone. So now I'm going to be configuring the standard for T54W phones only on my line. So whether I have one T54W or both of them, any T54W phone on my line is going to be configured by this. I go to line key. Earlier in an example here, I programmed a button here for tacos, for a speed dial. Let's say that I want to also have a speed dial button for, Chinese food. So I can go here to configure that particular button, find speed dial, there it is, put in the phone number that I want this to call to, and Chinese takeout, whatever I want to put in there. I would put in the China doll, the name of the restaurant or whatever. And now once I've saved that change, that's going to update on that specific phone automatically. So my phone is actually, the button is programming right now, and there it is. I now have a button on my phone that says China doll, and if I push that button, it'll call this phone number. Of course, you can program buttons as other extensions in the office, a variety of different features, speed dials, etc. But typically you'll be doing extensions, enhanced monitored extensions, or speed for outside phone numbers when you're programming these buttons. And that's it. You can just close this out and then also close out the user.com portal and the PHONEWARE website. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.